quick video for you today. If you like producing lots and lots of slow stitched work but you don't have a clue what to do with it all and it's piling up, then this is the video for you. We're looking at 4 more ideas of things to do with your slow stitching work. If you're producing a lot of stuff and you actually want to do something with it rather than just storing it or just looking at it, I've got 4 more practical things that you can do. So the first one is a little lavender bag. You can actually make these really simply out of a rectangle piece of slow stitched work, but I've got one already made and the lavender came separate with it, and I've just done a little bit of slow stitching on top to decorate. These make really good gifts, and you can put anything you like on there. Sort of abstract slow stitch. You can slow stitch directly onto the bag, or you could do a little extra piece on top. A slow stitched card, again really good to give someone a nice personalized birthday card or celebration card of some sort. This one I've slow stitched just a square piece of sort of nature inspired slow stitching with a little bit of fussy cutting on a natural card piece. I've just attached it. You can actually sew directly onto card, that's also doable, so you could do that, and that is a great sort of small quick project, but it's got a real personal touch to it. Next one is a bookmark. So people do still read books. Potentially the older generation, but I actually do know quite a few people younger people who read books. This was a piece of slow stitching, little cut out flowers of different fabrics, straight stitches, French knots. I've got a little bit of gold running through as well, and then I attached a back piece onto it. So there's a little bit of stiffness there, so it's not going to crease very easily. It's going to hold your bookmark place nicely, and that's a pretty little gift idea. It's also a nice thing just to have for yourself. It's quite tactile, really nice to touch, and that's just leftover scraps from a kit that I made. That is a very practical use and also a good gift idea. And then the last one for today is like a makeup bag or a pencil case cover, and I've just sewn a little patch on that I made, which has some fussy cut shapes and a little bit of slow stitching on there, and that's just a really useful little bag to put your makeup or your pencil or your art supplies in. Again, it's a really nice gift to give someone, but if you like to keep all your work, as I tend to just like keeping all my work that I do, I get very attached to it, then it has a very practical use as well. I've got videos for all these, so have a look in my tutorials if you like any of these things, and you can learn to make them.